Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use layout pages in Squarespace 7.1 with Fluid Engine. If you've been wanting to quickly build pages that look professional and polished while saving yourself a ton of design time, this tutorial will guide you step by step. By the end, you'll know how to add new pages using a variety of pre-made layouts, customize them to fit your style, and move things around until it feels just right for your website. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into Squarespace and looking at your main site dashboard. On the left side, you'll see your pages navigation. This is where all the pages in your site live. To add a new one, just look for the little plus button, typically right next to where your main navigation is listed. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to adding fresh content to your site. Once you hit the plus button, choose Add Page. At this point, Squarespace will display a variety of page options, but what's especially useful are the page layouts. These are professionally designed templates for different types of pages. So instead of starting from scratch, Squarespace gives you a head start. Think of page layouts like blueprints. They give you a solid structure, but you still get to decide what goes in each room. You'll notice there are several layout categories here. You might see options like General, Scheduling, About, and more. If you're not sure which template fits your needs, try clicking through a few categories. For example, the About section has layouts perfect for sharing your story or team info, while Scheduling is ideal if you want people to book appointments or reserve spots. Take a look at the preview for each layout. Squarespace makes it easy to imagine how they'll look with your actual content. Just click on a layout to get started. Squarespace will create a new page for you using that template. Don't worry if none of them feel perfect right away because you can tweak everything later. Now, this is where Fluid Engine really shines. With the layout loaded in, you're free to customize every aspect. That means dragging and dropping content blocks, resizing images, changing text, and moving sections around. It's a bit like rearranging furniture. You want everything in the right place so visitors easily find what they're looking for and the page feels balanced and welcoming. If you find that you don't love the layout once you start editing, you're not stuck with it. You can move sections, delete pieces, or add new ones to fit your vision. Sometimes you might want to rearrange things for better readability or visual impact. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the feel you want. Fluid Engine was designed to let you experiment, so play around until you're happy. It might take a few moments for some changes to register, especially if you're uploading larger images or adding complex sections, but just give it time. Squarespace's real-time preview helps you see exactly what's happening as you work, so you don't have to guess how something will look once it's live. Remember, you don't need to be a designer to use these layouts. They're built to look great even before you start customizing. But the more you personalize your content, the more the page will feel uniquely yours. And that's really all there is to it. Using Squarespace's layout pages with Fluid Engine lets you build beautiful, functional pages with ease and adjust them as your brand grows. If this walkthrough helped, be sure to hit like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific Squarespace feature you want to learn about next. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy website building.